Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can turn text to speech in CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply open your CapCut app, and once you open your CapCut app, you will have to select a new project or start over your old one. So once you select your project, just tap on the text option. Once you do this, tap on the add text option. After you tap on the add text, simply type in anything you want to add on your video. So once you are done typing, simply press on the text to speech option, which you can get on the below menu bar. So once you press on it, you can select the voice that you want to have as your text voice. So once you select it, the voice will start to read out your text. So after the generation is done, the text to speech will be activated on your CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.